On January 24, 2026, my friends and I went on a study tour to Yogyakarta. One of our destinations was Mount Merapi. We were very excited because we were going to ride a jeep around the Merapi area and visit Batu Alian. I sat in the front seat next to the driver while my four friends sat behind me. At first, everything seemed normal. We thought the jeep ride would simply be an exciting part of our study tour. We had no idea that it would become the most chaotic part of the trip. The jeep ride started quite normally, but soon the road became very rough and bumpy. The jeep went over rocks, holes, and muddy roads, making us shake around in our seats. My friends behind me kept screaming every time the jeep jumped. The funniest part was that the louder we screamed, the more reckless the driver became. Every time the five of us screamed, the driver seemed to think like, "Oh, you want more? No." And he drove even faster. Meanwhile, we were holding onto the jeep for our lives. Because the seats were so tight, my friend got squeezed around her waist whenever the jeep moved suddenly. After the ride, she even had a brace on her waist. I was sitting in front next to the driver, so I could see the road clearly. But I could still hear my friends screaming behind me. Then, we realized that there was one helmet missing. Since there were not enough helmets for everyone, I decided not to wear one. At that point, I was already sitting in the front, so I just hoped everything would be fine. But the adventure was not finished yet. After surviving the jeep ride, we finally arrived at Batu Alian. We were excited to take pictures together as a class. Unfortunately, the result was terrible. The photo was so dark that we could barely see ourselves. Instead of being disappointed, we decided to turn it into a joke. From that day on, whenever we took a photo that came out too dark, we called it a Batu Alian photo. It became our own inside joke. A bad photo was no longer a bad photo. It was simply a Batu Alian photo. When the jeep went through the muddy road, water splashed everywhere. My shoes got completely wet because water entered them. I tried to avoid the splashes, but there was no change. Suddenly, muddy water splashed into my face, and I accidentally drank some of it. I froze for a moment. I had just gone on a study tour, and somehow I was drinking Mount Merapi's muddy water for free. After visiting Batu Alian and taking our very questionable class photo, we returned to the base camp. My face was still covered with mud, so I immediately washed my face to remove all the dirt. I also tried to clean my wet shoes. Looking back, the jeep ride was probably the most chaotic part of our study tour. We screamed, got thrown around by the jeep, my friend got a brace, my shoes got soaked, and I even accidentally drank muddy water. Then, at Batu Alian, we somehow managed to take one of the darkest class photos ever. But that is exactly what made the trip memorable. We did not just come home with pictures and souvenirs, we came home with funny stories, an unforgettable jeep ride, and a new inside joke that we still use whenever the photo turns out dark. In the end, our study tour to Yogyakarta was far from perfect, but maybe that was what made it perfect. Sometimes, the funniest memories came from the moment that go completely wrong, and if a photo is ever too dark, we already know that to call it a Batu Alian photo.